Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can link Capcut to TikTok. So if you have a TikTok account, then you can link Capcut to it so you guys can edit video and upload it to TikTok directly from Capcut. Now let me show you guys how you guys can do that. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel with notification on and let's move on. First step, after you open Capcut, you want to click on the Me at the bottom right. Once you click on Me, it's going to bring you to this page. Now the first option you can see where it says sign in with TikTok. Well, that's the option we want to click on because we want to link our account or link Capcut with TikTok. So click on sign in with TikTok. And if you have a TikTok, app on your phone, it's going to show you this. So I'm just going to click on open since I already have a TikTok on my phone. Once I do that, my TikTok will automatically open up and it's going to show me this. Do I want to authorize it or not? So yes, I want to link it with my Capcut, so I will click on authorize. And once I do that, I need to click on open just like this and wait for some time. It's going to show you signing in. So it's asking me to choose my date of, I'm just going to enter a random one, but you enter a correct one, all right? So I'll click on confirm, and once my date of birth is confirmed, it's going to show me sign in successful. Just like this, my Capcut is now linked with TikTok, and it's as simple as that. So that's how you guys can link your Capcut to your TikTok account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my future video, which is going to be more related with Capcut. So stay tuned.